Hiya folks, I'm going to do some peanut butter and bread for the birds outside today. So this is what we got here. So before we start, like, subscribe, leave a message if you want to. Anyway, let's fire into this. So we got Hovis white bread, peanut butter from Stockwell, and a bit of odd peanut butter in there. That was for fat balls. But when we run out of fat balls, we fill it with peanut butter and bread, and the birds love it. So very simple. This bread don't look very nice because it's old mouldy old dough.
It's too bad we got some other stuff.
That's all right, I can work with it. Maybe. That's a bit better. The birds, they ain't stupid, they don't like the mouldy bits. So I just go around and cut all the mouldy bits off and then sort them out. Just cut the tops off of them. And that'll do. Right, the butter up one of these. So all I do when I do this is I always use crunchy peanut butter. Just butter it on like that and then fold the corners in. It's a little bit easier because it's got holes in, you can get it to lie down. And then you just do that on every piece and fill it up, which is what I'm going to do now. So we'll pause the video and then get back to you. Watch your folks. Right, so I've done it. I've laced them all up with crunchy peanut butter, folded each corner into the centre, and then kind of rounded it off a little bit with my hands and then shoved it in. And then you can use your fingers to manoeuvre it around and put it where you want it. But as it was for fat balls and it's made for round things, I tried doing it and then rolling it up into a ball in my hand, and what a glorious mess that turned out to be. So my way is the easiest way, believe me. But if you want to have a go, you have a go. It's great fun. You get absolutely plastered in peanut butter. So it's now started to chuck down with rain. So I'm not going to put it out at the moment. So I'll flip this round, show you what we got now. That is what it looks like, and the birds absolutely go mental over it. If you look back on some of my videos, you'll notice quite a few starlings going absolutely loopy when they're feeding. That is the peanut butter trick, and if you get soft peanut butter and some suet that you would normally make dumplings with, if you melted that down and then added the peanut butter to it, and then added some other bits and pieces like mealworms, mealworms, suet pellets, anything you want to chuck in there, really. Bits of bacon rind, cut that up, chuck that in as well. Birds will eat it all. And then you spoon that into little yogurt pots, put them in the fridge, and then they set. And then you can take them out of the yogurt pot, put them on a bit of string and hang them in a tree, and the birds love them. So anyway, I'm not going to put this out now because it's absolutely chucking down with rain, and it's just going to end up one big soggy horrible mess. So I'll wait for the rain to go off, I'll chuck it out, and then when I get a feeding frenzy, I'll film it and put it up. So if you've managed to stay to the end of this 4-minute, 5-minute, 6-minute video, hats off to you. Cheers and beers for now.